make some free embroidery application. Okay, come on, let's get started. This is free embroidering with the sewing machine. Okay, we're gonna start it a little bit. You can see the material must be cotton and not on stretch or lycra or something else in the cotton, because it will not get a free embroidering with sewing machine. It will get really difficult, and with cotton is it easy to do it. If you look, it's just like easy, but you must practice before you do it. You will show the made. Making now with mushrooms with free embroidery. And quite well. We'll see. I made 3 mushrooms, and now I will give them a little bit color with red and white. I'm gonna make them a little bit colory. Put some another red inside. This time it's red. The topping van de mushroom. Okay, I'm finished. You will see what I did with the mushrooms. I did it in color, red and white. This is what I made of. Look, my mushrooms, they're really great. Okay, I'm gonna cut them out. Cut them around it. You can make it an application. You see mushrooms. This is the front. If you look at the back, it is very, yeah. Can use it. This is mine. Just like I made it. I'll make a application. I have reinforcement here. That's the thickest we have. I had. I'm gonna fusible interface. Dus I must get it with my iron it a little bit over and for hitting it, and it will get some little bit thicker and good for my application. Now okay, let's do it. My reinforcement, fusible reinforcement. On the other side is then the back side for my application. We're getting there. It's getting warmer and warmer. It will stuck. On my fabric. It's stuck on my fabric. What's left here, I'm gonna cut it out with my scissors. Look, back side, the front. Now I'm gonna zigzag this because it's gonna stay on. It gets more stronger. I'm gonna use it. Okay, get started. Zigzag. Okay, the application is done. We're done with my application. This is what I made it. Very cute. You can see I made 3 mushrooms with free embroidery, and yeah, it was great to work with it. And it is not easy. I'm gonna give it to you because you must very handy with it. It's very getting fast and get very well. And you can do every application what you want. It is it's under your own control. Okay, and okay, that was it. And I see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe downstairs, and I'll see you next time. Bye.